avoid the possibilities of making an error while you are creating a database, there is a command that is called if not exists. So how do you tell whether the database name that you are proposing is existing within our database or not? We normally add the statement if not exists. So that means that the database will only be created if we do not have such a database existing. However, if such a database does exist, the database will not be created. So this helps us to avoid the error, as I'm going to be demonstrating in a short while. If we attempt to create the same database and we press enter, we are going to say that we shall get an error that says can't create database vehicle, the database exists. To avoid the possibilities of having such an error, we propose it's always advisable to use the if not exists command as indicated. We shall type create database if not exists vehicle. And you're going to see that it doesn't now throw for us an error as would have expected in the previous scenario. And that's how we create a database. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing the next lesson where we shall be looking at how do we view or show the databases.